Today I have a little beauty. I have a MacBook Air 13-inch 2015 board, board 820-3437B. And the customer stated that the screen doesn't show. His son was just doing his homework and it just went out. Apparently he thought that it was just dead, like in terms of no battery. So he brought it over, asked him any liquid damage, anything like that. Nope, nothing like that. So I took a look at just the top half of the board, and I just basically took the back off of the Mac, and it looked fine. It looked good. So I was thinking maybe it was just a fuse, or maybe it was a screen too. And then I took a look. I actually took the board out and I looked underneath, and there was a little bit of liquid damage. I don't know if you guys can see that. Over here and a little over here. So, I'll show you guys under the microscope too. And there you have it. Yeah, it's a little bit more than just a little, but he says that there is nothing, no liquid. I also kind of ruled out liquid damage at first too, because the ports from where the liquid damage is, well, just the ports in general, sometimes you can actually see a little bit of like residue, like whatever it was. Sometimes it's like soda, and you can see some of the syrup or sugar or whatever, and still in there. And that's why I kind of just ruled out, 'cause the ports are clean. So it could have been like water. I'm not sure. He says he knows nothing about it. So taking a look at the schematic, let me see if I can open it up real quick. And 820, what's this again? 3437. And let me go ahead and open this. I don't need that. Yes, I do. Oh, it's not here. Put it on the desktop. Yep, I did. Sorry, I was looking for open board view and found it. Forgot where I put it. Boom. Sorry, and now we look at this. Sorry, you guys can't see it, but this chip here, this one over here, is U3220. And going by the schematic, let's go ahead over here. That is for the Thunderbolt connector. It's a So I'm not really too worried about that one, even though that's where most of the damage is. And the other damage is over here at this little one. I'll show you. Just show you under the microscope. It's a little bit better. The rest of the damage is around this little guy. I kind of cleaned it off a little bit, but still no backlight. Does show LCD. If you put a light behind the Apple logo on the screen, you can see the image, just no backlight. So most of the damage is, like I said, around this little chip there. And what that one does, that is U7701. U7701. That is for LCD backlight. It is the LCD backlight driver. And it may not look like much looking at the chip there from the top. Let me see if I can show you guys. So if you look underneath there, you can actually see one solder ball missing. And rotating it around a little bit to the other side, I'm not sure if it's gonna focus there. There is another ball missing there, or at least corroded. So that is what the issue is with that one. So I'm gonna clean this one off after this, but like I said, I'm not really too worried about that because the Mac does turn on, and it does show the image. So doesn't really have to do anything with the backlight. But that little guy right there, that's what we're going to be working on today. So let's go ahead and get my. I'm not gonna do the device. I'm just gonna. Well, I will. Device upside down. I want to make sure keep it nice and steady so it's not just moving around and stuff. One there. And another one over here. There you guys go. That's it for me. Focused on for you. And there we go. Well, it's a little bit too much to the right there. Right there. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and get my hot air started. Come on. We soldering station on. My flux. Put a little bit down there. Hopefully this will be easy. So I'm thinking we could probably just reball this chip, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it because I don't want to reball it and then it still not work because I'm not, it could have shorted out. I'm not really sure. It could have been, it could be damaged. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. I have a new one. Hot air is ready. Let me go ahead and turn on my fume extractor. There we go. So looks like maybe one pad might be gone. I'm not 100% sure. Let me go ahead and put that chip down there. It's a little corroded, but I don't think it's gone. Ice is kind of coming off over here. There we go. Alright, so let me go ahead and clean it off and then we'll take a better look at it. I don't think it's gone, like I said, but yeah, I'm gonna have to clean it off. Maybe jumper. get me a small piece here. Tweezers. Tip. I'm gonna tap here. It's not hard to work with the device here. I should move it. I think it'll be okay. I don't know, maybe, we'll see. Sorry for, I'm gonna go ahead and move this vise. More comfortable for me to work on this. There we go. I'll kind of move around them, not too much. I think it's okay. I'm going to clean it off. Sorry, I thought it was broken, the break there, but it doesn't. So let's go ahead and still kind of want to put a jumper there, but I'm gonna try it just like this. Alright, there we go. There we go. Sure, you guys saw it move into place, but I just wanted to make sure enough heat to have those solder balls in the center melt and go onto the pads. Just let it sit for a few seconds, let it cool down, and I think it should be fine. Then we'll give it a whirl. Hopefully it works. Looking at it. Much better than whatever non-existent ball the thing had. So I can find it. It's not just there we go. Camera can't focus. That's alright, little camera. I won't let you struggle there. There you go. I think it should be fine. Let's go ahead and test it out. Got the MacBook here, handy dandy. Fingers crossed. I think there should be enough battery life on this MacBook, so I'm gonna leave some of the stuff unplugged. Da da da. Oh, I'm done. It's dead. Let me go ahead and get the charger. Oh wait, it came on. What the heck? Yeah. Such delayed reaction. I think we have backlight though. I think we have backlight. Let me go ahead and put the SSD in. Try you again. And ta-da! Backlight! Woo! A little slow. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh well. Well, fixed the issue. This is a pretty short video, so pretty excited. Another good day. Is there a little watermark or something on the screen? There's just a glare. Ah, there we go. Now it's moving. Took a little while. It hung there. But there we go. Woo! Working. So, I think that's it. I will stick this thing in the cleaner. Clean off that flux and clean off that Thunderbolt chip. And that's it. Well, you saw it here, folks. working MacBook Air 2015 had a backlight issue, and now it doesn't. Thanks for watching.